Hello everyone, welcome to Marbles for Autism. Today we are inside the rustic Cat's Eye Stadium for the Cat's Eye Derby. It is where two marbles will run down a 4-meter course. The winner advances. And we got a good crowd today, and here are our competitors. And nice shot. Round of 16, race 1. We got Winter Wave versus Night Flyer. Night Flyer with early lead. Winter Wave comes back and will take the race there. Nice job by Winter Wave. Sensing that he was going to lose, he came back and was able to take it away. Winter Wave wins 279 to 285. Now we got Yellow Eye versus Red. Here they go. Oh, Red gets a great lead. What happened to Yellow Eye? Oh, I'm sure the fans will be disappointed with the hometown hero not doing anything. Oh. Yeah, the fans are definitely disappointed. You can see it on their faces. What time did he get? Oh, sorry. I think it was... What was it? Oh, yes, the fans definitely disappointed. Now we got Blue versus Little Pearl. Oh, Blue. Oh, what happened to Blue? Blue seemed to have popped out his railing, getting ahead of himself. Oh, yes, he did. Oh, and that gave Little Pearl a 262 to 273 victory over him. Now it's Yellow versus Plasma. Yellow takes the lead. Will he be able to hang on? Yes, he will. He will take the victory. Very good time, I might add. The time is, yes, 268. Very quick time. Plasma's 278. Now in race 5, we got Coffe and Queen versus Aqua. There we go. Aqua has the early lead. Oh, what? Aqua wins, but what happened? He just pierced through the wall. Oh, Aqua gets a 270 to 284. Round of 16, race 6, we got Rainbow Eye versus Cranberry. The crowd's going nuts. Oh! And both of the hometown kids have been eliminated in the first round. The crowd must be absolutely shocked. I think Cranberry got a 264 to a 291. Oh, we got Green back in the gates against Chrystal. Oh, Green has the lead. Oh, but he's not able to hang on. Chrystal will advance. No, oh, poor Green. Green gets a 277 to Crystal's 272. In race 8, we got Soda Pop versus Pink. Here we go. Pink's got the real lead. Oh, Soda Pop's come charging back and will make it a photo finish. It's going to be close down here. And it's Soda Pop by 1/100th of a second, just beating him out. And he advances to the quarterfinals. As we go to the quarterfinals, we got Winter Wave versus Red. Can Winter Wave slow down Red? Oh, no. Oh, Red. Oh, Red just absolutely blows Winter Wave out of the water with a 264 to 289. Yeah. Winter Wave not prepared for it. In quarterfinal 2, we got Cranberry versus Aqua. Let's see who can take it. And Aqua has the early lead and will hang on. Almost said Cranberry. Aqua gets a 265 to 271 for Cranberry. Sorry about that. And in quarterfinal 3, we got Yellow versus Little Pearl. 2 shades of yellow, you might say. Little Pearl has the early lead. Will be able to hang on. Yes! A late charge by Yellow will not pay off. And Little Pearl will advance to the semifinals with a chance at a medal. Now in quarterfinal 4, we got Soda Pop versus Chrystal. Oh, Soda Pop is no match for Chrystal. Chrystal absolutely blows him out. 264 to 287. Now in the semifinals, we got Little Pearl versus Chrystal. And Aqua versus Red. And Little Pearl is in lane 1, Chrystal is in lane 2. Chrystal takes the early lead and will hang on with a big margin. That was a pretty big victory. Nobody seems to be able to stop Chrystal or Red. 267 to 281 for the two marbles. Now we got Aqua versus Red. Red takes the early lead and Aqua's keeping it close, but is not able to close it up. Red dominates the competition. 267 to 277. That's 1/10 of a second. And then we'll head to the third place match first. It's Aqua versus Little Pearl. Here we go. Aqua takes the lead. Oh! And Little Pearl seems to have hit something. Little Pearl was keeping it close until he seemed to hit something. 276 for Aqua to Little Pearl's 288. And Aqua wins the bronze. Oh, what's this? Oh, we got a fan invasion. Somebody wanted to join in on the fun. Oh, good. Security has taken care of them. They really need to up the security here. And now the final. Red versus Chrystal. Chrystal takes the lead. Red fights back. Oh, it's a photo finish. It's going to be close for the goal. Who's got it? Oh, I don't know. It's so close. Hey, this is going to be a score's decision. Oh, wow. Here we go. Oh. Oh, that is so close. Oh, it looks like it's red, but it could be Chrystal. Oh, and it's red! By 1/100 of a second! And the crowd is going nuts here. The crowd who stayed are absolutely going nuts. And the red fans are in disbelief. Wow. A powerful finish. Gold goes to red, silver goes to Chrystal, and Aqua gets bronze. But unfortunately for the eyes, Rainbow Eye and Yellow Eye, they both finish at the bottom of the podium. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing.